I've been tasked with making as many of these Christmas tree decorations as I can out of this 4x8 sheet of 3/4 inch plywood. These are gonna be for my grandfather-in-law. He will hang little ornaments on these, paint them, decorate them, and give them away as Christmas gifts. With that sheet of plywood broken down into more manageable sizes, I made some layout lines and marked out the 3 triangles that I can make out of each of these sections. Using my measurements, I marked out where the centers of all of the holes will be cut out. I think that'll be helpful in the future if I go along and punch these. The quickest and simplest way that I've come up with to cut these triangles out is to use my crosscut sled on the table saw. I've got the kerf line cut through here, so I can see exactly where my blade's gonna run. And then I'm just lining up my marks with that line and cutting them. Next up, I need to cut those semicircles out. And that's why I punched those holes earlier, so that I have a place for this bit to rest into and keep my alignment straight. The way that I'm gonna make the bases for these trees, it needs to be a 3-inch diameter circle. And what I've come up with is, I've got this piece of scrap wood run along the fence between the blade. I marked over 1.5 inches and I drove a nail up through the bottom. After I found the center of these squares, I drilled a pilot hole, and then that pilot hole drops on the nail, and I can run it through the table saw, spinning it, nibbling away at the excess until I have a perfect circle. I repeated that process 11 more times. Now I've got a dozen Christmas trees for Grandpa Al to take, paint, and give away.